Hello and welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can bookmark your tabs in Brave browser. So first of all, let me search something randomly, and there are a couple of results here, and let me open this website. It is taking a little bit of time. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on this option in the top right corner, then go to Bookmarks, and then you need to select bookmark this tab. You can also do it by using Ctrl D, and now you need to give its name. Like here I just adding bookmark, and that's all how you can make an bookmark in Brave browser. And if I open new tab, here you can see the adding bookmark is there, and if I click it, here it is opened. And that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please make a subscribe and hit the like button, and forgive for my English. Thank you very much. Have a great decade.